go.
Okay, there we go. Is it recording?
Yeah, you're good.
Are you sure?
Awesome.
How do you know? Oh, I see seconds. Okay, this is, sorry. Okay, so my phone died because of my son, so this is part 2. Okay, let me click back just a second because he died just a second ago. I know this is a little comic relief too, okay? All right, so I said the ciliary body. What's the function of the ciliary body that goes in a peripheral ring back sort of behind the lens, surrounding the lens? What's the role of the ciliary body? Why are we talking about this? And you're going to look at it in lab. It attaches to the lens, right? Okay, so it's got muscle component to it and little suspensory ligaments, and they actually anchor the lens in place and allow the lens to either bulge, okay, or flatten out so you can view close or far objects respectively. So that's why we're talking about that. That's the significance of the whole ciliary body. So if we talk about the iris is always cool because that gives color of the eye. We know the different genes that code for eye color. This is the visible colored part of the eye. Lots of different genes code for it. And really it's not just green, blue, brown, right? There's whole different shades. There's all kinds of in-between colors of greenish blue and hazel brown and honey brown and dark brown and clear blue, all different varieties. Darker iris gene colors like brown are typically dominant. So those usually mask over the lighter colors like blue. Why do we have a colored iris? Why is our iris colored? Light doesn't actually go through the iris, it goes through the middle of the iris or the pupil, the hole. This literally is a hole that goes conjunctiva, cornea, iris, and there's a hole in the iris that's the pupil. Light rays go right through the pupil. Why is iris colored? And colored in all different varieties? I have no idea. It's just one of these things I don't know. I really don't know. It just has to do with genes that code for phenotypic traits. And based on where you live and geography of different places, there tends to be darker eyes versus lighter eyes. And then those genetically get transmitted on to descendants and people all over the world. So I don't really know. Because it's not like, oh, if you have brown eyes, you have better vision. Or if you have blue eyes, you can see at night. No, there's nothing.